iyasho bafethu itsopho itsemetse team to my dad ifuna ukusebe nokhona omkhulu bafethu kuyaqala nabhenga but first thing first bafethu sithanda ukubonga ama-district chillers who have subscribed already bafethu because of 80% in you watch videos but then unsubscribe please touch that subscribe button bafethu to those who have subscribed siyabonga bafethu ne-support nethenisipe yona so far but case angicela to those abangaka-subscribe please subscribe bafethu subscribe and press that notification button bafethu and yeah bafethu since we are back with another banger ke zonke izizwe zonke bafethu zonke izophakamani we here with uPrinki abamtsana bamiza ngoPrinki uSpilivane Mr. 01 himself anytime goal scorer amathanda Prinki bafethu ekusemocha
shosho my brother
nani kazi
ngipo
kamba
yazi
nani so mfethu ngicela uzintroduce mfethu ubani
Mandla wakankosi normally they call me uSpilivane nakhona igama ngithole ground I was given by uFish no commentator is the one who wanginema lelo gama after appearance ami yokuqala ngicela ukudlala lapha eD ya ngikhulele zonke okuningi nje akukho nje ngisaphusha
so ngitshele why bathi uSpilivane
njengoba nabo soshile anytime goal scorer la abantu sebalahle khona ithembe ngiyavela
into zakho vele anytime goal scorer nakubhekilanga kuyazi
bayazi
da uweloyo mfethu so mfethu ngifuna ungitshele since uphusha and ngifuna uqavise ngejourney yakho so far ku football because of you still pushing namanje as you playing in ABC Motsipe so far uqale kahle uzibona ukuthi uSpilivane ngayenza lento leyo
into yami iqale ngisahlala eMpumalanga it was 2009 I was 9 years old because into yenzakalile okay uyazi besidlalele estradini then after that ngabuya ngeza la eJozi where ngahlala zonke I only played for isikole that's where they saw me ngidlala then there was this guy who school sile sonke nabo abu Thuvi those who are abuthuva uNkopu abusakha umduduzi so wangithatha from esikolweni then bengu-goalkeeper actually bengasi-player bengu-goalkeeper and then wangithatha wangifaka egroundini that's why iqale ngakhona ijeni yami so akukho ukubhaya kakhulu because bengidlalela isigela mina zonke primary then along isikhathi besi kwaba ne-situation where lento yazi ama-division ama-under where like bekushort phakathi so we had an extra keeper so bangidlalisa then I played my first game ngashaya hat-trick that's where bangisuse epalini
shuthi lo mntu angayenza lento into yakhe vele so after lapho uqeda ukushaya i-hat-trick for the first time ungena egroundini like in a full feet udlala iziwinga udlala
ngidlala top man
udlala striker ushaya hat-trick the feeling nje mangathi ustrike through yona
it was nice because yonke into inesiqala bo it's an achievement angeke nge-first game like it was just a league game ne bewazama ukucover nje ukuthi okay siphelele egroundini but then I managed ukuthi ngijabulise ucoach that's where kwaqala
okay so ngiyaqala okay. So what was the team that we playing for?
Bengidlaleli Zonke Arsenal.
So after Zonke Arsenal, why happy? Because of obviously as I'm dlaleli Zonke Arsenal kuphela in that age group stages.
Yeah, ngithe ngisadlala ku Zonke Arsenal, then there was this guy from Ellis Park Ellis Park. Which une academy Ellis Park United. Even though it was already late with the age, mara wangidonsa. I only played there for 6 months. Then I got the like Uchiriel. Then I got the call up from the APC team. That's why Kaleveli izinto zami zenzeka.
So taking me Uchiriel.
When start playing for APC.
Being 19. Yeah.
So ijeni yakho yasikazi. So came off your good idea with APC ne. Then kasi bakubona kanjani then give you the opportunity lokuchini. Where you got the name Uspilivane?
Actually, it's a funny party. Bekudlala tournament la ePola Park. So mangidlala tournament ePola Park, mina ngisuke endlini ngiyobukela. By that time bengakayi ku ABC. bekuyalithola i-tournament like Polar Park like kuzonke killers ne.
Yeah.
So into yenzakalile edi basaqala uku-introduce
i-ground, yeah.
i-ground. So meyiqala leyo tournament ngapha bebazodlala i-final kuzonke killers.
Yeah.
So thina sathathwa njengabantu ukuthi azini ambani nomayizisa le bangaroli.
Yeah.
Ndlale so bona second league because beyiqala i-ground bekune first league ne second league.
Yeah.
Then thina basithumela ngalo because bengihambile nje ngiyozibukelela ibhola yabo. And then basithatha besifika le nami ngenza into zami.
So you like just believer.
Yeah, I was given the name.
Ukogamagula nje.
Kuleyo game sawina 3-1. Which I scored 2 goals and then ngaba ne-assist.
Yeah.
So from this side bebezwa ngapha ukuthi konke engiyenzile from isquad lesibengiyinaso ngapha I was the only player elasala eladlala kuso sonke lesquad bengisuke naso ngapha ngale.
And you only 19 years of age.
Yeah, I was 19 years. Then that's where I started playing.
When sebapidivela na so now sewubuildeka as a player so usene confidence by me. So lento beyibuwe vele mabuye so you played for Izonke Killers. So abantu abanye-introduce to first team football Izonke Killers. So udlala isikhathi esingakanani kuZonke Killers?
Izonke Killers ngihlalile close to like 1 year 3 months.
Yeah, because madala like wow. Because I can attest, because every time when we played, pass out print, no matter the football.
Yeah.
Pass out print. This nigga will literally, number value position. I'm standing there because the one was 2.
Yeah.
I want to know just keep my but fortunately enough he would score goals. That's how good Beyond called. Beyond
So the way we good ngakhona ngalendlela ukuthi ngayo nama you can tell stories nambuye ngisave kuphi le ma Free State but ke asaqela la kuZonke Killers. So kuZonke Killers ezibasho bathi umadala weZonke Killers bese kumadala noma Griza ku so ba groom wire then what happened ukuthi when you moved from Zonke Killers to Bayern?
Into yenzakalile from leZonke Killers neBayern ngithe angibe ngiseselikini ku-EPC ngidlala along the way and then kwaba lento ye-COVID. So besiyitshontshele yabo like ama-games isiphusha yabo siyibhejela
push
isikhathi. Then we formed the team, we called it iBayern. So kusithubeka nayo yabo so siqhubeka nayo then we ended up sonke sinamachita because we like in most play like bokwamachita angadlali bebanga like ekas lama management labo lama team bewangasithembi. So we decided 2000 athi sizame into yethu sibone soyenza kanjani. Yes bona bebasho ukuthi angeke iphumelele inini but then sathi so donate ngemali so lokhu donate that's why yaqala ke ukuthi kuba ne team eBayern. Then kwaba ne introduction yaka uGift. The one waza wathi uzosincedisa ngama fans which wire then kwaba nentonyana uyazi phela into zama team yabo kuba nemali yeah that's when then they were introduced ka lo muntu osiphethe man.
So before we get to part of eBayern bekunjani uZonke Killers bebakwethenga
being honest mina umadala bengithinta nje ngingane yakhe. First time ngihamba ngiyematrial eBC he's the one owangithengela ama soccer boots. He gave me money anything bengidinga bengikwazi ukukhuluma naye noma bathi like i-situation bengibuye njani uyakwazi ukungirescue at any time ukuze kukhala nomama mathi phela ngisasowapha sengwalaphaya.
So ukushona wakhe ntwana how did it affect you?
Yeah, it was very bad and futhi into ebuhlungu ukuthi bengekho naseduze yabo angikwazanga nokwazi ukuyattenda i-funeral yakhe because indlela bona basebenza ngayo like they don't wait like njengathi abophe ukuthi for maybe weekend bayenza like ngokushare yabo yeah because i-culture ya so yeah bona bokubuhlungu hayi kancane because nje
so after umadala then that's where you changed teams or there's something that happened after Matala, treatment tela change, or you just continue being bring the treatment the way or
the thing as football players is easy double. Like I moved from Zonke Killers while Matala Seseko. Yabo. Not like maybe Ninking, like as much as Joba being Shiluti is Kali project team. Is then I had to Uti in Poo. Because so we project here to so yeah. That's when Puma not like a counter on Abangenza ini. I umatala begang phone if I'm glad being was combined.
So if umatala begaseko, like what would you say now? Just to thank him because of care, I say command, but then the ways on our show
go cook by like umatala mina nyambonga for umkinta ngenzele yona especially why I'm cool nje I wouldn't say it's anyone else yena ube na leyo believe le noma ke injeni yami iqale ngenye indlela mara yena unesandla because nanoma bathi benginjani bekangithemba like uwabona umuntu bekana lento uthi hope yami kuwe yes abakhona ama player which were way better than me but ithemba bekangithemba
ithemba lakhe
noma umnyama kunjani he had the hope ukuthi okay noma kanjani ngizokora definitely
and the show uzokora so mafia ke sisikhulume ngale ndaba ka number 10 because of in most teams udlale mina ngikwazi ngo number 10 bring uculo number 10 when udlale right wing right so qala kuphi indaba ka number 10 because of bo goalkeeper Stugutu, so udlala groundini Stugutu, so ugcoka number 10. The first number we ugcokile before number 10, what was it?
The Benko 7.
Then why number 10? Why number 10?
Umatala like njengoba ngishuthi le number 10 ngiqale sengukillers. Because after Ukaka beyangasiza like cause beka consistent kule nto yakhe Sundowns in DC inini. So and then I was given which you can wear the chase. I was given blessings by Hui. Kakota, you can keep the cheese. Yabo, il 70s.
Il 70s ngendlela.
70s. Nano mabuya azanga bena lento wavela chai hlala qhubeka.
Qhubeka kanjalo.
Adlala in 70s.
So now so now you believe to number 10 oba break
yeah.
Okay, tell me now nje muthini ukusuka kuzonke killers obviously lento yenzekile kumadala it was nice and you were not there umfihla and then wa focus kule project yenu so kule project and it's a huge project because of sekhulile manje you've won ama tournament abhaya ngale project yenu maningi so ngicala ningaki and uqala nabo bani and who decide to sinja stand umuntu sona
so like njoba ngisho there's this guy uKabelo Msemene. So the guy umuntu bayathanda ibhola already yena besekanga sadlala at all so njoba ngisho ukuthi this name Esphilivani encourage ile wabuye game yabo so cause nerazo dala khona egame so he knew a lot of players udlale nabantu ababhaya so waqala wasithatha ezintwana njoba ngisho ukuthi angithi abanye ama team bebangasebenzisa abanye so wasithatha sonke isintwana and then so lokusiyenza lento yabo sisipushela asincourage uthi so yenzani bekuvela something akutshele ndoda sihambeni sidawn so yabo
khona into emile siyenza
yeah like iqale kanjalo like uyu umuntu bekasikhulisa because uyu umuntu bekamdala kithi
so manje nje basenilungisa umhlaba unikabuyele kubanikazi nisho kanjani akusho mandanda abantu inkade umzini so manje ke njami senune ama tournament asedika engaki
now at the moment we know one then Sabama runners up twice.
So ubani umdlalo runners up?
Oh, the runners up we were playing against Norway. Yeah, we lost on final. Then the second one we lost to Gumambi ma penalty. Yeah.
So how was it to lose against Norway, which is a team that's like us?
Yeah, obviously Nkulumo.
Very personal, okay.
Actually, that one it wasn't that much. Would be personal ngaleyo ndlela. Yes, nezinto ezenzakalile before the game yabo. So that was the reason. Cause that was the case. Not like we were gonna lose the game.
Yeah. So kahle yavumelana ukuthi who's gonna win next
because
week.
already they were ukuthi akusazwane kasi ngayo lento le yebhola so asikhonanga ukuthi manje lento siyiyekelele yabo because vele wathi no chairman athi suke endaweni yona it's fine so ama player they didn't have any problem nalo so that's why
Onabe bethi niya nje hlonipha game nje kuphela otherwise benazi kahle.
For the sake of football, be divided. So football played a part to win a peace because already nothing can make division between the teams. So later when you find out, you would say it had an impact on inhlanganisa. Like not inhlanganisa as inhlanganisa, but then kube peace man. Kube ibhola nje kuphela. Even though ibhola kungabalulekile, but then we set back together.
Yeah, it's njalo because like ikas bengasafana yabo. But after that final izinto zashintsha.
Zaba yiza
They were much better. They has been like a kurashwa ibholeni so off the field. Noma sesingekho endaweni zebhola abantu basaphethe into zasegroundini so yeah that was the thing.
Because kuyasiza phela when ilokishi ngaba together even though kunama separate because it might happen ukuthi ifuna ukudlala somewhere and then kumele lenze squad. Because not ukuthi all the time they are always available to come and play. So I feel like togetherness iyadingeka sometimes because let's say Zone having the best level so how you compete somewhere it helps. Because you can't go and be separated. It will show division even when you get to that sitting cast.
Because then the ifana yabo in most cases ama team asesowethu the reason why they weza kancane team esowethu bebasuka ne squad maybe like they were having 20 players which at the moment abayithembi no next week some of those players are aware corrupt they will take others like into thile esileka ngayo
katho so
yeah seleka
la English
like asithandani siso
so
yes isihlangane groundini kumele sinqumane egcineni kodwa after 90 minutes yonke into kumele iphele sisi right
mele sibe sharp but
yeah.
So now you believe lento le be show 2 minutes ukuthi like Katsolas like asithandani because of ibola lethu okay limnandi we have a lot of talent like us but then we can't use it and noma sina something asikwazi ukudonsa and okay na intwana igudi athi mthathi nomfaka somewhere now into ishoyo le
yeah into ngisho cause like iyaphuma maybe ethi ama 10 ay David one they have a team yes we're not against you guys having a team but at the end of the day there are certain squad angehlala singashoot and there are a lot of players ekatlego atso imbazi disk Tonsa 2 maybe team Tonsa 2 or 1 it's fine noma bathi angebadlala kuba available kwabo it shows ukuthi
siyaphila so okay because of manje ibhola la manje sekunemali kakhulu selisebenzisa imali don't you think iyo enye into efaka impact ya new team asikwazi ukubiza amanye ama player wangaphandle let's say thina as ama-10 asikwazi ama player which aswabhatala then uBrinki udlala kumamba bamnika i2 amagazila azodlala thina asikwazi ukuyenza la leyo so don't you think that iyayenza impact uthina
into eyenzakalayo ukuthi singibe honest yabo like from phezulu ababe honest abantu abo ungangithembisi into engekho iba honest uzwe mina uthi ngithini if uyangitsho uthi intwana kuyabheda into engizoyenza just to be honest nami ngitsho uthi yazi izinto zami kahle kwamanje mara bekuyisikhathi ngizokubona nami ngiba right yabo into bashayayo ikhulu inini loyalty because sometimes banokuthi bona bayuza ama player bazikhawathana na
kwenye side with okay
yeah. So do you think ukuthi ikhulu do they play a part ukuthi maybe wena ubizwa team do you think it's cool nokuthi actually because there's an incident I saw that there was a player that were taken out the ground because badlalela a certain team ebeni babiziwe lapho but that certain team bengadlali lapho so do you think ukuthi nezikhulu zine impact ukuthi ayungadlala lapho
yabo leyo
even though une-chat ukuthi wena you're gonna be exposed now, but they say don't go and play. Do you think ukuthi nalokho kuya-add ukuthi i-progress yomuntu ingaphumeleli?
Yeah, because njengoba bahlezi bathi sidlale, you never know who's watching at a certain moment. Mara inkinga yala le yenzeka la ile into yazabo zasema-grouping lezi ama-tournament. So banama-battles wabo which igcine nathi siyawasifaka. So yeah, yinkinga leyo.
Yeah, so lighting leyo nje ukuthi iyo inkinga banamakwalo wabo ikhulu nama-coaches because of ama-coaches vele anamakwalo isikhathi esibhaya. Because of ama-players, mathi nezinye izimpi zenziwa ama-player not ama-coaches. So ngitshela khumbula le ndaba njengoba uPhupho azoba exposed to e-riding ngama-10 to i-social media yonke, then athola i-team ku-Pirates nani. Then it came to a point ukuthi bathi uPhupho was ama-10 nani yakhumbula leyo nto leyo beyitrenda kakhulu riding. So now into esho ukuthi riding leyo kuthini manje udlala kwenye club then I get exposed sengi-asseta loyo team leyo because of I was exposed by you.
Kubi nje phela from if bona they saw you playing somewhere, njengoba ngisho ukuthi ilento ye-squad sometimes it helps, not because i-asset yama-10 yes yena bayazi into ayiphethe groundini which iyamspanele ispanele everyone, so he was seen ayenza. Yes, it's nice. Uyenze kuphi kuma-10 as fans vele yo ungibonile uPhupho kuma-10 definitely everyone uzocabanga ukuthi
uPhupho kuma-10 because of those big kuma-10
mara bese ku reality siyazi kuyaphi wakuphi
wenzani ubani umbhildile kahle. So into yana kanjalo. So athi sithi njami what you take ngalama team lawa awungasini I think it's akusiwa like Kachorus, the likes of Mitakasi ethola lama team lawa nama-players ikasi lesiso ethu teams asebenzisa ama-players ikasi kakhulu. Then ama-players ikasi adlala ngale but ngayi ikasi ama-team asikasi awanayo lento le esiyifunayo but ama-players ikasi adlala kwamanye amaklub.
Into eyenzakalayo njengoba kushile yabo ma ibhola lama lifuna imali, angeke urun team unganamali, umosha isikhathi sakho because if you udinga quality you need to have money. Sonke sineyikhalo zethu zezingama-player and azifani
omnye nomnye ukhalela ipoto lakhe. So manje wena uthi i-rider ngama-player azibhekele angabhekeli ama-coach. Let's say mina ngiyakubuilda uSpikivani, then because of I don't have enough money ngirana i-team nebengirana khona bengikhulise ngakhona I don't have enough money, then wena une-right ukuthi ngikubetray because of there's somebody okubizele ngemali.
Kanjalo kanjalo yabo kahle hle ukuphuma kwami ngaphandle ngiyodlala so ngiyoyiphandela ngaleso sikhathi. Mara wena whenever umdinga kumele ngibe available.
So availability yo ile behlezi be consistent ku.
Yeah, if
ngale kumele bangincenge ngapha kumele ngancenge.
Obvious bona bangangireplace with someone ofana nami somewhere then ngizosala lapha.
But manje uyayidinga imali ngayi bese endlini udingeka something urgently, so le bathi ukunika 2000 lana uzodlala mahala which is which
I feel like it goes to ube transparent.
Yeah.
To know who you are loyal to.
Yeah.
You know sometimes the transparency is I can be transparent to you as I'm loyal to you. You tell me I need a certain amount. The power they promised me before game was only that amount. So if you are able to give me that money, I mean because I'm loyal to you. That's being transparent. I never worked with you, I was transparent to you.
Yeah.
But if you can't give me that much money, I would have to meet it.
but then as an issue job I don't have the money.
You don't have, that means I would have to go because I need the money.
Because ekugcineni ngikhulumile nawo ngithi ngizobe sengikutshelile ukuthi kune-emergency and I need money somewhere. Nawe uzongikhulula noma bathi kuzoba buhlungu mara ekugcineni ivale.
Okay, have you faced i-challenge enjalo wena since ubring?
Mina angazi.
Awukazi uyi-face i-challenge enjalo?
At the moment angazi.
So mangathi ngiyakubuza no which team like uthi uke wayidlalela you enjoy the most like okay ngathi you enjoy the most like abanye bakubiza kuyo then you played feel like I played the tournament of my life la like ngathi ngadlala kule club njalo besides i-Bayern besides zonke killers
izone 3.
Zone 3. Udlala isikhathi esingakanani zone 3?
Ngidlala ngesikhathi eside ne mara nje like bebangibiza ngize ngizozidlalela like njoba some of the teams like honesty it counts. Yes, amanye ama team bangibiza ngiyademand mara there are certain teams like njoba ngisho ukuthi if wena uzakimi ngeqiniso nami ngizokwenzela imali noma unganamali it doesn't need ukuthi mele ngize ngifuna imali ngenkani.
Just wanna play soccer.
I wanna play soccer. Nami ngifuna awazela maybe kule tournament engizodemanda kuyo kanti bengazongisa somewhere. So mina ngisithandela ibhola. So imali kimi ibonus.
So manje yabona nje waso include izone 3. So like abantu ababhaya mfethu like there's talks about this zone 3. Ngane bathi zone 3 management yakhona from the top ayikho grand wena uvaye kanjani ku zone 3 or you just nje splitted grand yonke into be grand or now there was conflicts or there was things that was happening ezingakuphathanga kahle.
I would zone 3 nami like whenever ngikhona if they are playing ihlezi ngavailable. Njoba ngitshela ukuthi sometimes angithi in football uba nomndeni yabo. Yeah, so izone 3 whenever ibayena yini i-tournament bayadlala ngiyakwazi ukufika ngizodlala and I will never make ama demands because I know situation. Yeah. Azange bangenzela bangipromise into engekho. They told me ukuthi chief thina uyabona sayizamela. So if abantu bayizamela nami ngifuna ukuzama sonke sifuna imali. So
sikhala
separation now.
So going back to you, I feel like this today I couldn't discuss football, and this is about you. Which team? Because you've played for ABC for a long time, different teams. And which team is the first team that you played for?
ABC.
ABC.
Ileruma United.
From
based in David John.
Oh yeah.
I was playing there.
So season yakho yokuqala, how was it the experience?
Okay, because vele I was still new. Njoba ngisho ukuthi bengiyi-striker normally from the academy. The reason why bangiconvince abangisebenzi uyazi phela kula mathiya ama-ABC i-height. So bangithatha bangidlalisa esayidini as i-wing. Yeah, so that's where ngaqala-ke ngadlala. Ngathola ngagain experience. Fitness, isikhathi esiningi sejimini, like yonke into sengifocus kuphi in football. Akusafani naqala ukuthi okay hayi bengafuna ngejimi mina ndawo isikhathi sami sesebhokini. Sebenzi manje. Siyasebenza.
So your first paycheck wayithola ku ID? Kule room.
All the way.
Mina 19.
It was very right one.
Because I was still new, it wasn't paid.
It wasn't paid.
Yeah.
So
yeah.
It's more like a stipend now.
Yeah.
We expected to the money now.
Yeah.
You just wanted to play for a pro team.
Yeah. Mina nje yona imali njoba ngisho bekuyibonus la. Into bengiware just ukuthi mani i-profile yabo libe correct.
Ne game time.
Yeah.
So udlala i-game time uyithola la.
Bengiyithola.
So what made you to move to Marumo then to go to the next team?
Chuthi ngaleyo season yami bekumele sabuye ne besadlala before iphela league kwaba ilento ye-COVID. Ukuba ilento ye-COVID that's why kwaba nama stop yabo inini. So azange i-league isaqhubeka ukuthi iphele all.
So kahle kahle vele i-COVID imoshipe ezibhaya cha and baniyonto abakhala ngariding leyo mfethu. COVID yela nimoshela into ezibhaya so mawubuyela then you had to search for another team.
So ithe bese iqala lento COVID yehla so uyazi phela in teams yabo they started making uthi mele sibuye and there was a better off which I had to ngiyekhona. Then njoba ngisho ukuthi uKabelo like it was more like ubaba ngithi lapha kubayeni. So washo ukuthi nginento so asambeni sempumalanga bathenga status endaweni so then ke sangahamba naye uKabelo.
Fika eMpumalanga ngizenzile.
Bengifika eMpumalanga ngasokola ngeclearance yami. Mele ngibuye. So bese kusilungisa indaba eclearance abasho ukuthi bona bafuna like i-staff. So into engayenza mina there was this guy bengihlala nabe clubhouse ne. Mina ngathi bengihamba because bona basala behind. I told them machito ngicela ningishiyele izinto So you know players abanye because bafuna ukuyonikana ngezinto bathatha into zabo bahamba nazo.
So staff ushi
ngiyastruggle ngeclearance thiwa kufuneka istaff so ngisese in contact my chance sona so phela hayi so sesiyamnika wathi ufuna wena uyilethele bengimbuze usho sini story manager yabo so sokukuningi
sikama absent
yabo ngicina sengingasadlali eBayern eMpumalanga ABC ngibuye ngisolo ngesgrandela ngama tournament. So I ended up talking nalo mchita lo manager uthi hayi man, oh there was this guy ubafana usesekhona lapha kule room. The guy was like, so kuze ngibe ne solution yokuthola into zami kumele ngenze because noma ngiye David bengihlangana naye yabo le manager ngibuze manje indaba eclear that uze so khuluma bo. So ngagcine maye banginika ite ukuthi you have to pay the fee for lezi zinto lezi ezinyanga. Okay, I was like, why all along when
ngayisho kanjani yabo umpatali beni ngizoba kwazi ukukhuleka
like ngifuna ukubuza why bathatha staff back and they expect you to play the fee?
Aish nangazi
like most teams better like I don't understand why do they do such.
So when istaff bese basitholile back
like abasithola lamajita ahambe nazo yabo kushuthi oyi1 wahamba ne-top omunye wahamba ne-tracksuit yeah those were the magametsi abo lapho bawadinga. So ngagcina ngenza ngabhadala
then parents akho bayidede
banginika.
So that was the end of Iloro.
Yeah, Iloro. Then ke along ngahamba ngalandwa njengoba ngisho ukuthi you'll never know who's watching.
Yeah.
Ngalanda ubiki lo eVultures ayodlalela le tournament kaVini. Then I went there. I played in my first game. After that game, then I was called by M Tigers, Banglande ground. So wabana make exchanges of ama numbers. I gave them my number. Ukwabona manje umuntu athi ayisakufuna inini. I was like, okay, I'll wait for your call. Then the guy on Sunday texted me ukuthi kumele ngizijime on Monday. I was like, okay.
So you went to M Tigers?
Yeah. With an assistant chairman eBayern. So njoba ngisho ukuthi some of the chairmen balayo like lamakasi teams. Yes, bona abanye basincede. Khona umuntu ongeke ukwenza njoba bekakhuluma indaba njengoba uMadala bengangithita ngakhona. The guy enginaye manje ungiphethe the same way as uMadala bengangiphethe ngakhona. Because going there ngidinga ama funds because it's 5 Pitori. Beyanginika lo mchitho imali without hesitating. Ukuthi hayi moso why bona bangakwenzeli plan because he gave me the money to nyechimi because like Petebe I bengiya like for 5 days and the Petebe anginika 400 from the pokotweni lakhe. And I was a complain.
So 400 ihani ndrekh le.
Yeah, plus ukudla
every day.
How bekunjani ukuthi manje eMthatha? Did you finally decide
like since like I was there like for 2 months, but I don't see any way forward, because ngathi bengijima for first 2 weeks. Hi man, ngagcina ngathi angisayi because some of the players are cut, then I was cut, then ngala decide ukuthi ayithi ngihlale ngisayi. Yes, bebanginikile zonke izinto zami inini, mara ukukhuluma indaba yokusayina bathi so ngiyeze ejimini mina ngathi. So I ended up ngiyabuza ukuthi hayi man
kanti
kwenzakalani
because of inyandleka nesipokotweni balena ngibona iminyaka
bathi wawungasho sikuzame ngaccommodation lapho ngihlale for a week. The guy owangibiza shothi ucoach Saphula abuza uGuy ukuthi hey ubrand umuntu lo ngoba kasiza. The guy angifona ngithi phela ngiyasokola phela mina nge-transport ngenze kanjani. Bathi hayi wena izake next week sokulungisela indawo accommodation then ngabuyela. Keso lokhu ngiyajima ama friendly side mara indaba yokusayina
abayisho
like
so neliga uyidlali mara uyajima every week
ngikhona yabo yonke into ngiyenza ne-team yonke into ama-league ngiyawa-attenda ne-team mara mina hayi
uhlala ebenjini
angikhona ku-18 obvious phela ngithi angisayinanga mara ngikhona etimini yabo like hayi uye
manje iphathe kanjani like ngokunjani kuleyo period leyo ukuthi uyajima uyabonakala uye-Tigers but awusayina une-staff siphelele.
Yazi njengoba ngisho ukuthi ayikho into ebaluleke njengegame kithi mina kimi ukudlala. Ukudlala yinto ebalulekile yabo. Because sometimes yes imali ngiyithola yabo. Mara lokho doesn't give me enough, like mina ngifuna like ngifuna ukuya phambili. So ngiyabona mase I'm way forward. Then I decided I think take a step back.
Ngihlalele phansi.
Ngihlalele. Then ngabuya ngihlalele.
Ngabuya lokishini. So mabuya lokishini
ngahamba. So phezulu yabe bangitreat sharp yonke into right. So I wouldn't say.
Which year was Pizzo?
It was 2022.
How old are you?
I think like 22.
We're not 22.
Yeah.
Oh, so you 2000 actually.
Yeah, 2K.
Yo, Yahoo.
But when I think Tigers, the Hollywood, Azam feel like discouraged.
No. In that moment I'm in Spain.
So you never felt hey, nothing like
that. Yeah,
angaze ngaba nayo leyo nto leyo because that ngilenye because nasedlaleni bangizamile ukuthi yesikela hayi
ibhola
ufuna ibhola and alihambeni ibhola ni
yeah so ngiyazama manje ukwakha
so after uphezulu okay athi sithi uphezulu angithi uyaphethe grade bodlala bone game time so mawungathi uyakhumbula ama stats akho ukuthi wami kanjani bona ama assist angakanani for that season ama goal bewayingaki for that season.
So for phezulu because there were certain players who were good, like they were on peak yabo ngeformat. Format wasn't that much good njengoba bowusha bo because like lento ukuthi ngizofaka into enhlizweni benganayo so lapha yabangiconvert abangenze bese nginokudlala left back yabo yabangiconvert uthi ngiregain form yabo ngiregain. So after the season then there was another team from Northern Cape in Yaku. So phezulu I wouldn't say maybe Conte wrong or
so you went to how many provinces in
Nepal kahle
Mpumalanga, it's Northern Cape, Cape Town, yeah. Okay, if ngizobala nama tournament I went to nase KZN, Free State. Yeah. Yeah.
Nepal phela akwazi uyevenda Limpopo.
Hayi,
ngazi. Ngare.
Yeah.
So ngitshela mawusuka uye Northern Cape. Northern Cape nabo bazibonele ema tournamentini or bakubone da then they contacted you kanjani?
The owner of the team angazi be kanjani yabo uyangazi le team ase Northern Cape like ngikulele should ngathi like inobuhlobonyana. So the guy bekahlezezwe with the kunomuntu so and uyangazi then wasingeke isikhathi once weza sidlala then he saw me. I was like hey wena mele sami yabo because wasekhaya ngisicede ukuthola promotion to APC since now udlala APC uzoba
experience nyana
yeah
so that experience is now
so that's when ngahamba ngaya
so mafike Northern Cape wadlala season akona
angidlala ngesizini ngidlala ile last year ngicala into yakhona bo ngidlala season angidlala half
season
yeah
then what kicked up
then bangibiza kahle from the start before ngiyakhona lapho ngimele ngiyile then I decided ukuthi ngibe ngapha so kwaba ngapha ke inkinga zokuthi indawo yabo nendlela esiphetheke ngayo which mina bengekho yibo so yes sometimes kunezinto ozibekezelelayo mara ngikhonanga uyibekezelela
so like yini club uyi Northern Cape in Kamali club
Maroding
yeah. Then mawusuka ku Maroding wa Cape Town like abakusukisanga iclearance ezusho kwamanye ama club akusukulisile ngoma clearance nana
hayi abangisokolisanga iclearance cause into eyenzakalile jana like bengasafuni ukubuyela jana then bathi hayi sozama ukulungisa then I went there jana I only spent like I only played a game besibuyi this year I only played one game which we won the game and next week we were playing against abo number 1 while see number 2 which I game bebalekile so izinto lezi ngemele siyithole since azikafiki so I decided ngaze ngisoloko ngilinde into engekho angisenandaba ngizonginika cela nimgayi clearance yakhe ngihambe then-ke bangenzela
Bangeke clearance yakho Cape Town. Tell me about Cape Town nje because of Cape Town hayi baba umkhulu ngali awushisa akuma-assist unamagoli ayingakhi ngare
na 7 goals
assist ayingakhi 12 assist uyashisa mos
and I played only 12 games because it was almost end of the season. Yeah.
So lapha nje kuma-ceremony konke ongavuka ngayo this year ngeke uthola nix
ngeke ngihlale ngatholi
mile bakunini midfield of the season intonyana yokuthi so ama-awards anini
so abathi bazoyenza like ngesikhathi se-pre-season yabo yeah that's why bazoyenza izinto kahle
so nje ngale okay i-top goal scorer how many goals ngale
top goal scorer okay mina ngathi bengifika i-top goal scorer ye-team ina 6 yabo then there was this guy uMakhanya which now we top goal scorer njenje him naye yeah
nasizana idla ngihle
siyancedana
thatha ngihle nabazana kumnandi beziphala so uMakhanya how many goals
definitely uma 16 now
16 wena na 7 at least mafika uMakhanya bekanangani
he was low because there was this mina ngifike ni-top goal scorer team ina 6 goals shuthi yena beka low because bekwenye athi umngane wami uPantsula yona beyina 8 defend so uMakhanya ukwazile ukuba
bypass bonke azoba top up futhi so lo kana 6 goals yena uceda how many goals this season
since sengikhona zangaza khona
ungampasi so ngitshele nje njoba usho ngale baniphethe kanjani ngale
lela ngikhona because like indawo engikuyo ngisenize nale so definitely there it's a good place ngiyahlaleka kule ndawo plan so nami ngi-enjoyile and I was called by Uchovi Uvusi. He was playing for the Pirates, Polokwane City, Winnipeg Spurs. Yeah, he's the coach in that side. So Tala Vela Funagis. So okay, ngicina sengifikile noma sengifike
season season.
Yabo. Banje ngale I'll tell you
ufika wakho kwenza impact futhi ethimini. So ngicedeni unamba bani?
Cause mina ngihambe lapha cause into engibulalile benginespan mina ngizosatheni njoba ngisho ukuthi ngidlala 12 games kune 3 games abayidlalile
bongeko
yeah they lost all those 3 games so i-assurance I think it were 3 4 somewhere there or 5 mara nje top 5
goal
that into engineshonga
so coming back to ibhola lasekhasi nomini so ubuyile yekasi you see ama-tournaments nandani so like which player do you think wena or you would say uku-peak of his career manje udeserve ukuthathwa iklabhu esharp
no abaningi lamplay
uyi-one nje okay sithi 3 ke
3 okay la like local
yeah
Katlehong.
Okay I'll go for Banu Skuke Usihle. Yeah, you deserve at least no NFT.
Ayi, ngaba makavela usihle deserve guys. You are lantwana ngaze enanhlanhla. Because of ngithi lo wathola ne-contract lapho kwesikole kune NFT bese bamdlalisa i-center back. Yo, amen. Lo muntu akora kanje. Leo halata ecaba.
So there's this guy from Etimine Chutimare. Yeah.
Then one
Timari and then I'll give it to the Nitwana nje kasla ezayo ezibhayo maningi alama play
Kasla
ne-talent lethi nje azikafuni
environment azikazivizi kahle athi sithi ezivelile ebantwini because uSkuke uvelile uTimaria uvelile usebantwini
yeah I'll give it to Banu Malem yeah dlala center back
so athi sithi because of manje in most weeks amabhaya nokubona man what's your take on uJwagga peak njoba naye aku peak of career yakhe phezulu because yonke tournament
into esele kuloyo kumele ukuthi Sikhukhune simgayi first team contract edlala kuphela. That's why hayi ukuthi ngoba ngimention ngoba yena into yakhe iclean
phele nenje melathola i-contract. So lesi yamnika iSikhukhune i-contract. Do you think uzobuya uzodlala elokushini futhi?
Uya
kanjani? Naku bayathola ama-contract abachita but badlala elokushini and that thing yaba-affecta kabhaya. Wena what do you say kubo abachitini? Lesi naku lesi yavele Arrows bamba mfethu nayi first team contract uyadlala la. Do you think ungayi-maintain i-discipline itafuse? Ngiyeka lento yasebhuqweni.
Hayi kumele nezinto engingamelanga ukudecide kanini. Kumele it's a must.
It's a matter of
I guess it goes malento ukuthi uyazi ukuthi ufuna.
Yeah.
You can't see abantu who were crushed ngale same experience and then it was far futhi.
Yeah.
Now you can take an example of Mukaka. Kaka wathola umsebenzi and never look back.
And since
I'm sure he was
yes yena yabo njengoba besese ku Tigers. Yes bekeza ngalelo la. Yabo yena bayangafani nathi mina uMataka bayakwazi ungilanda eDavidton yabo yena noma still bayadlala ke-ABC mara akaza banalento ukuthi athi ngibuyele ngidlala ekhasi yabo
wena ba-focus. So yenye into emenzile ukuthi afike la afike khona today because of mawumbheka noye kude nokude ukhakha noguys ukude shota nje ngokuthini like I feel like useduze ne-national team collab angayithola because of le season okay ithole seyihave but yeah impact ayidlalile lapha ku-Stellenbosch it was a huge one. So utshele mazoqala nabo isizini yonke yini angabanika
kuningi lo mchita lo yasibhana
shuthi nje next year nje ungezwa badayi ubuyile eJozi kule some of the 3 big teams ase-Gauteng angasign.
Ngeke abuye manje
nakho manje Chiefs
usho kanjani
Sundowns yamnika i-contract phela sesikhuluma nge-PSL umlo phela manje
ngadlala
kuseduze nje shuthi nje angayithola i-contract nanoma yini
ngayithola nalakhona
awuhleli kahle awuthamisekile
awuhleli kahle
as much as ukhuluma ngedollars zaseKaslako right ukuthi siyenze so kulento that you went through lokuthi uchibe nama-team because it can be discouraging at times nge-experience yakho nokuzulazula yabo and finding ama-team, how would you encourage lentwana lezi ezizayo eKaslako ezifuna ukuba like ebholweni kanje, like to not being used, about to focus, to not give up, like in these don't
food, especially for the young ones, these ones, the upcoming ones, when they are very lucky, which because isn't those vulnerable for them. Yabo, akufani nje ngathi. Yabo nje wona mina ngicela ukudlala academy bengina 19. Yabo uthi already bengili. Never had in isikhathi sinafu bengisekudeni. Yabo. So into ngabatshela inkinga yabo ile into ye-content yabo fail, it's killing. Sometimes ukubekezela kuyanceda.
So don't you think amantombazane obviously isikhathi sibhasering right because of iqiniso ngathi siyalibalela lezi inkinga yamantombazane lezi inkinga yotshwala ebudgeting plus let's say 18 years 19 years old now pick up career yakho sebabonile uphi sowushutiwe uvino snap sewushutwe somewhere sobonakala kuma social media omkhulu then uyaqala ke manje sebakunikile intonyana epotweni uyaqala uyankinja uthini ngariding le
unkinja kusinkinga mara big isikhathi sazo. That's why in off season, yes, life in there's life after football. Not always you are grounded ukuthi ungaphili ngendlela ufuna ukuphila ngayo, mara it needs isikhathi so ukuthi manje ngifocuse la.
So you saying when abajita abaphuze off season into a show
ethi ngabe nami ngiyasifaka siyabushaya leyo chance, it's not a bad thing phuza ne mara respect isikhathi saleyo nto. Yes ngingadlala kusasa ngibuye ngizibambele 6 nyana kusinkinga because sengicedile umsebenzi wami ngaleso sikhathi.
Hayi ngiyakuzwa mina mfethu, ngiyakuzwa. So amantombazane wona hayi baleshebo le inkinga eyabaphuzi. Abafowethu engiyakhala amantombazane.
Nah, actually, I feel like it goes to having multiple girls. In general, in life, so you're gonna be busy and focusing on Tobazan and not finding Tobazan as a guy. There's a lot of gents who are guy that find Tobazan actually, I want to make an example, but from my perspective, Marsh to Kaka has been starting to get if we all talk is we won't go to what I'm sure I'm keen to
she's been there, like she's been there with one, like I'm push for good things. I'm tregeli to the hospital. Unlike Lavet, I think using your career as a crowd. That's a mina, soon as they buy, like Jongo Bush, Liaman Tomazade, you for this moment. Because about for Umchitane, which have more like a fall in love in Thomas and I catch.